In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send big files on Gmail without Google Drive. If you've ever tried to attach a large file to an email, you've probably hit those size limits. Instead of relying on Google Drive, we're going to use a simple, reliable workaround with a site called WeTransfer. It sends your file as a download link via email, so your recipient gets it right in their inbox and they don't need to create an account. Start by searching for WeTransfer in your browser and open the official website. Before you can send anything, you'll need an account. The quickest way is to sign up or log in using your Google account. It's fast and it keeps everything tied to the email you already use. Once you're in, you'll see a clean panel with a few fields. The Email To field is where you enter your recipient's email address. In the Your Email field, type the address you're sending from. This helps the recipient recognize who it's from and ensures you get any delivery notifications. You can add a title so your recipient immediately knows what the transfer is about, and a short message to explain what you're sending. There's also an option to set the duration, which controls how long the download link stays active before it expires. Pick a time frame that works for your recipient's schedule. Now it's time to add your file. Click the plus icon at the top or simply drag and drop your file onto the page. You can add a single large file or multiple files. WeTransfer will package them up for the recipient to download. As a tip, make sure your internet connection is stable and keep the browser tab open while the upload runs. Large files can take a while depending on your connection speed. When everything looks good, click Transfer. WeTransfer will upload your file and then send an email to your recipient with a secure download link. You'll typically get a confirmation when the transfer is sent, and you may receive a notice when it's been downloaded. Your recipient doesn't need a WeTransfer account. They just click the link in the email and download the file. It's that simple. This approach works great when you want to send big files to someone who uses Gmail, but you don't want to attach the file directly or use Google Drive. Just remember to double-check the recipient's email address and give them a heads up about the expiration window so they download in time. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and effective.